I bet you didn't know how crucial protein is for muscle gains. You're hitting the gym, pushing yourself to the limit. That post-workout glow is everything. But wait, are you really fueling your body the right way? Picture this. You're absolutely killing it in the gym, but then you're not seeing the results you want. Did you know that consuming enough protein can increase muscle mass by up to 25%? What if I told you that your muscle growth isn't just about lifting weights, but about what's on your plate? Studies show that athletes who consume high-protein diets see significantly better results. Stay tuned till the end for a special food for muscle gains. So, get ready to take notes, because today I'm sharing my ultimate guide to the top high-protein foods that will help you build muscle, feel amazing, and absolutely smash your fitness journey. First up, we have a classic breakfast staple, eggs. These little powerhouses are not just for breakfast, they can be enjoyed at any time of the day. Whether you're making a quick snack or a hearty meal, eggs are incredibly versatile and nutritious. One egg packs around 6 grams of high-quality protein and all those essential amino acids your muscles crave. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to build or maintain muscle mass. Think of amino acids as the building blocks of protein, and you need them to repair and rebuild those muscles after a good workout. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Don't skip the yolk. It's packed with B vitamins and healthy fats that support muscle growth and overall health. The yolk also contains important nutrients like choline, which is essential for brain health. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, boiled, or in an omelette, there are endless ways to enjoy eggs and give your body the protein it needs. You can even get creative and add different ingredients to make your egg dishes more exciting. My personal fave, a veggie-packed omelette with a sprinkle of cheese. Yum! It's a delicious way to get in some extra veggies and protein all in one meal. Eggs are such an easy and affordable way to up your protein intake, so make sure you're adding them to your shopping list. They're a staple that can fit into any diet and lifestyle, making them a must-have in your kitchen. Did you know that egg whites are almost pure protein? And here's a fun fact. The protein in eggs is so high quality that it's often used as the standard to measure other protein sources. So, when you eat eggs, you're getting some of the best protein available. Next up is a staple in any fitness lover's diet, chicken breast. Chicken breast is lean, mean, and packed with 31 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's basically protein power in every bite. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, add it to salads or wraps. The possibilities are endless. It's super affordable and easy to cook, even for beginners. So next time you're meal prepping for the week, stock up on chicken breast and get ready to fuel those muscles. Okay, let's dive into the wonderful world of salmon. This incredible fish is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly boost your health and fitness journey. This oily fish is not only delicious, but it's also a nutritional superstar. Packed with essential nutrients, salmon is a versatile ingredient that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Salmon provides a whopping 25 grams of protein per 100 grams and is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are crucial for muscle building and overall health. Why are omega-3s so important? Well, they play a vital role in maintaining heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. They help reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery after tough workouts. This makes salmon an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. So if you're prone to sore muscles, salmon is your new best friend. Incorporating it into your diet can help you recover faster and get back to your training routine with ease. Plus, salmon is super easy to cook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, you can whip up a delicious salmon dish in no time. You can bake it, grill it, pan fry it, whatever your heart desires. The possibilities are endless, and each method brings out a unique flavor profile. Treat yourself to a salmon fillet a couple of times a week. Not only will you enjoy a tasty meal, but you'll also be doing wonders for your body. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you for it. So, next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to add some salmon to your shopping list. Additionally, salmon is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, B vitamins, and selenium. These micronutrients support bone health, energy production, and immune function, making salmon a true nutritional powerhouse. Now let's talk about a food that's often overlooked in the protein department, Greek yogurt. This creamy delight has twice the protein of regular yogurt, around 20 grams per cup. It's also a fantastic source of calcium, essential for strong bones. Greek yogurt contains casein protein, which is slow digesting, making it the perfect bedtime snack to keep your muscles fed and happy while you sleep. But here's a surprising benefit. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics that aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, crucial for muscle recovery. Enjoy it on its own, in smoothies, or as a healthier alternative to sour cream or mayo in dips and sauces. Who says you need meat to build muscle? Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are here to prove that you can absolutely smash your protein goals on a plant-based diet. These legumes are rock stars when it comes to plant-based protein. They're packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and they're loaded with iron, essential for energy production. Add them to soups, stews, salads, or make veggie burgers. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or simply want more plant-based meals, stock up on lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Plant-based proteins are not only great for muscle building but also for overall health. They reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve digestion, and are environmentally sustainable. Let's be honest, cottage cheese doesn't always get the love it deserves. But trust me, it's time to add this protein-packed hero to your shopping list. Cottage cheese is a slow-digesting protein source, primarily because it's packed with casein. While you're sleeping, your body is hard at work repairing those muscles after your workouts. Cottage cheese is the perfect bedtime snack to provide a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night to support muscle recovery and growth. Enjoy it on its own in smoothies or as a topping for baked potatoes or toast. Next up is a classic for a reason: beef. This meaty delight is not only delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse that can seriously up your fitness game. Beef is packed with 27 grams of protein per 100 grams. It's also an excellent source of iron, crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body, including to your muscles. Beef is also a source of creatine, a naturally occurring substance that helps supply energy to your muscles. Creatine is especially beneficial for high-intensity exercise, like lifting weights, as it can help increase power and strength. So next time you're looking for a protein-packed meal to fuel your workouts, don't forget about beef. Last but not least, let's talk about quinoa, the supergrain that's taking the fitness world by storm. Quinoa is a complete protein, one of the only plant-based foods with a complete amino acid profile. It's a dream come true for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking for a delicious and nutritious protein-packed carb source. Use quinoa in salads, breakfast porridge, or as a tasty side dish. So there you have it, my family. My top high-protein food recommendations to help you build muscle, recover faster, and feel more energized throughout your day. These foods are not just for bodybuilders, they are for anyone looking to improve their overall health and fitness, and absolutely smash your fitness goals. Whether you're lifting weights, running, or doing yoga, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Remember, what you eat is just as important as how you train. A balanced diet rich in protein can make a significant difference in your performance and recovery. By incorporating these protein powerhouses into your diet, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're fueling your entire body for optimal performance. You'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to perform at its best. This means more energy, better workouts, and faster recovery times. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who might benefit from these tips. And turn on notifications so you never miss out on game-changing fitness tips. We're here to support each other on this fitness journey, and comment below, what's your favorite high-protein food? I love hearing your suggestions and trying new recipes. Let's talk gains in the comments. And if you want to know about all the vegan sources, see you in next video. Your journey to unlocking your muscle potential starts now. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and watch your hard work pay off. You've got this.